Let's take a quick tour of the Mural Mobile App for iOS and Android. Once opening the Meural app, you will start under Home and will be greeted with the Meural Feed. Here, you can discover new artwork that is available for you to send to your Meural Canvas. The icons at the bottom of the screen help to quickly navigate through the Meural app. Find the art you want faster by using the Browse feature. Search using specific keywords or discover art via channels, artists, and categories, like recently added and museum collections. Upload your photos directly from your phone to display your favorite pictures and memories on your Meural canvas. My Studio is your personal collection of art. View your favorite art, uploaded photos, purchases, and create custom playlists to showcase your own collections. Use remote control to quickly control your canvas from wherever you are. For example, you can change the current art or playlist being displayed, adjust your brightness, or put the canvas display to sleep. Tap on your canvas settings to access and change any general display functions. You can use a scheduler to automatically display your art at the time of your choosing and manage when your digital canvas is turned on or off. You can also purchase images or playlists to keep in your collection forever. If you see artwork you like from the Meural Marketplace, just select the artwork or playlist you want to keep and pay right from the app to add it to your collection. Enjoy discovering new art and controlling your Meural canvas with just a few taps. Want to get the most out of your Meural? Subscribe to our YouTube channel or use the link in the description to learn more.